Good afternoon, Mom. This is Janken A. Maniha, and this is my class discussion. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, class. Okay, welcome to our fourth quarter. Are you guys excited? Syempre, we should be excited because we will be introduced into a new topic, and a new topic will syempre offer us a new learning. Okay, so how are you? Feeling good? Feeling great? That's good to hear. Okay, okay, students. Before we will start our proper discussion, kindly pick up the pieces of paper. Very good. So we now proceed to our discussion. I know that you guys are excited. And for our fourth quarter class, we will be dealing with statistics and probability. So excited? Okay. Are you familiar with the term statistics? Oh, NSO, the National Statistics Office. So surely that statistics is very familiar to you. Am I right? Very good. Okay. So since we are talking with statistics, for today's afternoon class is we will be talking and we will be dealing with the basic concepts of statistics. So basics first. Okay? Okay. So I won't let you do the recapitulation because since this is our first class in statistics and probability. Okay. So can everyone here share their insights or their thoughts about statistics? Okay. So when we say statistics class, it is the science of collecting, classifying, organizing, summarizing, presenting, and interpreting data. Okay, from the word itself, data. That's the main root in statistic, data. Okay, remember that one. In dealing with statistics, data is important. Okay, so statistic is also used in order to draw conclusions or make decisions. Very good. So statistics kuno is the basis. According to them, statistics used as basis for us to draw a conclusion or make a certain decision. From decision into action. Okay, statistic is derived from Latin word status, meaning statement. It was introduced by Sir John Sinclair, a Scottish landowner. So that's just a background about statistics. And now, here on statistics class, we are dealing with different terms, key terms that we must remember upon exploring this topic. So when we say statistics, there are three terms that we must always bear in mind. Okay? Okay. So first is data. Data consists of information coming from observations, counts, measurements of responses, rather. Okay, data or information, details. These are those information na atong makuha from a certain collection of data, from a certain gathering of informations. So next key term is population. All members of a defined group that we are studying. So, statistics and probability, as what I have mentioned earlier, it is the science of collecting, classifying, organizing, and summarizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data in order to draw conclusions or make decisions. Or in other words, ang statistics class is related siya sa research. So when we say research, it is about what? Identifying a problem and drawing a conclusion or making a conclusion that will surely be integrated into actions. So nanatay, population. So, balik tayo sa population. When we say population, all members of a defined group that we are studying. So, the whole population of, for example, you guys, grade 7 faith. So, all these students of grade 7 faith are what we call population. Next, sample, representatives or portion of the population. So, when we say sample class, a portion na siya, or representatives. So, for example, out of the population of grade 7 faith, I will choose all the girls as my respondents. So, ang sample ato are ang girls. Girls are the sample and the whole population is the grade 7 faith. So, you guys are brilliant and you really followed. Okay, so what are those terms? Data, population, and sample. Very good. So now guys, statistics. Upon hearing statistics like collecting, organizing data, interpreting data in order to make conclusions, we are going to derive into its deeper meaning on what is really the importance of statistics. Why is statistics an important aspect, especially in mathematics? Okay. Statistics helps in providing a better understanding and exact description of a phenomenon of nature. So, ang statistics kuno siya class, mag-provide siya nato of better understanding, better comprehension, and exact description of phenomenon of nature. So when we say phenomenon of nature, is certain occurrences in nature. Okay. Statistics helps in proper and efficient planning of a statistical inquiry in any field of study. Statistics, it guides lawmakers implement program or ordinance that encourage people to participate in resolving issues. So there is, through statistics, while lawmakers scan through a statistic, they will exactly define a certain program or a certain ordinance where they can implement that, or they can implement program in order to resolve the certain issue. So for example, ang basura every year, the amount of garbage every year from 2000, for example, from 2017 to 2023. So, from 2017, daghan ng basura, then up to 2023, mas daghan ng basura. And then, ang katungatan ng basura, collection of those garbages will be dumped into a certain dump site. So, that to a dump site class, that to, for example, there's a heavy rain or typhoon, for example, typhoon. So, there is a possibility na all those garbages will be washed away. So, there will be flood. So from those experiences, from those certain situations, we can infer that there is an issue, there is an environmental issue that we need to resolve. And in resolving those issues, a certain program or ordinance could be raised by the lawmakers. Okay, so now that you have, I have given you an example in the uses of statistics in the economics and also in the environmental issue. I want you to open up your mind. I want you to widen your knowledge and think of a certain situation where statistics is applicable to another field of another aspect, where statistics can be used in education and any other aspects. And that will be your assignment class. Next, you have to create an infographic. That infographic will enumerate the uses of statistics. But with a twist, syempre, in your infographics, it should present a certain information that reveals the uses of statistics in environmental aspects and in the economic aspects and as well as in the social aspects. So, and thank you for listening to my discussion. And now, class, dismiss.